Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to tackle a common issue that some users face, problems with mentioning others in Instagram stories. If you have experienced this frustration, don't worry, we have got a solution for you. So let's dive right in. Step number 1, check your app version. First, ensure you are using the latest version of Instagram app. Go to your device app store, search for Instagram, and check for available updates. If there's any update, click on update to upgrade your Instagram app. Step number 2, check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential. Make sure you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have a strong mobile data signal. Step number 3, clear cache and data. If you are using an Android device, clearing the app's data can help. Go to your phone setting, find apps or application manager, manage apps, search for Instagram. At the bottom, you can see clear data option, click on it. From there, you can clear the cache and datas. Step number 4, log out and log back in. Sometimes logging out of your Instagram account and then logging back in can resolve the issue. You can do this by going to your profile, tapping the 3 lines in the top right corner, selecting settings and privacy, and scroll to the end and you can see logout option there. Step number 5, restart your phone. A good old-fashioned restart can also help. Power off your device, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step number 6, mention @username directly. When mentioning someone in your Instagram story, make sure you type @directly followed by their username, without any spaces or special characters. Step number 7, check account privacy settings. Ensure that the person you are mentioning has a public Instagram profile or has allowed mentions from people they don't follow in their account settings. And there you have it. These are some steps you can take to address problems with mentioning others in your Instagram stories. Remember, technology can be a little finicky at times, but these solutions should help you get back to smoothly mentioning your friends and followers in your stories. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.